we talk about the Indian cartoon, they have a moral of the story, but they are not able to express it because if they will do it in a sensible way, it will not be fun for the kid watching it. For example, in Chota Bheem, whenever you have seen an animal attacks him and his friend, he always fights rather than defending. Because if he will defend it, then the viewer will say it is normal, but at the same time, he will fight with the lion. Then, if a one kid is watching it, he will say to the other, अरे देखो पता है भीम ने शेर को उठा के पटक दिया. So if his friend do not watch that cartoon, so he will watch it and then he will watch and continue. Therefore it becomes like a chain telling each other. And if the producer wants to air anime on the television, then his audience will be lost. Like if you will tell a 6 years old kid to watch Death Note, then he will not understand anything because he has only watched cartoons like Motu Patlu, Shiva, Chota Bheem from the beginning. So if there will be no audience watching it, then they will have a loss in the business. So that's why they have to air these types of cartoons on the television.
Yeah, you are right. They target a particular age group of audience, and that age group seems to like that content. But I have only one question in my mind, that why they showed really awesome content on TV when we were in that age group. And with the passage of time, instead of growing that quality content, they just decrease the level. जैसा कि हमें इमोट ने बताया, इफ़ वी सी द पॉजिटिव साइड, तो हमें बहुत कुछ अच्छा सीखने को मिलता है. बट जब आप किसी 7-8 साल के बच्चे को किसी मिठाई वाले की दुकान के सामने अपनी मम्मी से ये कहते हुए सुनते हैं कि
मम्मी मम्मी मुझे भी लड्डू ले दो ना, मुझे भी लड्डू खाकर भीम की तरह शक्तिशाली बनना है.
कार्टून एक टाइप से फन के लिए होते हैं, पर कुछ कार्टून जैसे शिवा को देखकर गुस्सा इसलिए आता है, लाइक यू आर मेकिंग अ साइकिल into a helicopter, then why are people wasting so much money on making real helicopters, right? And one thing I hate about some people really is that when they were kids, they used to watch cartoon like Chota Bheem with full enjoyment. But as they become a little big, they will say that it is stupidity, it is madness. ये वही लोग होते हैं जो पहले टीवी के सामने बैठकर 2-2 घंटा छोटा भीम देखते थे. And I would like to conclude this video by saying that we know that we cannot do anything until we come together and make Indian television better with good and sensible cartoon. We can do it. Spread this as far as you can. So guys, इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. कैसी लगी वीडियो में कमेंट करके बताना. और इस वीडियो को बनाने के लिए चीनू राग ने भी मेरी बहुत हेल्प की थी, इसलिए उसके चैनल को भी चेकआउट मारो. टिल देन बाय बाय, मीट